Hello, Knife World. It's Locutus. On Instagram, I'm known as Gator Loki 49. That's Gator like alligator, Loki like everyone knows Loki, and 49. But for here, I'm Locutus, and today I'm going to show you 5 of my slip joints. The first one is a full custom by Alan Davis. It's got elk horn covers. Check out that dimensionality. I mean, that's carved into it. You'll notice the file work on the back. Stainless steel bolsters, double fluted. And an incredible blade of Vegas Forge Damascus, carbon Damascus in this case. Alan Davis Custom. Close this baby up. Next, we have a full custom by Joel Chamblin. It is a traditional knife, a slip joint, meaning no lock. However, he uses modern materials and blade shapes, bringing it into the 21st century. So, what we have is a fluted stainless steel bolster, carbon fiber. I believe it's lightning strike carbon fiber. Check out that shape. And get a load of this blade once I get it open. Hand rubbed CPM 154. Satin finish. Check out that swedge on top. Half stop, like most of these have, for safety reasons, because they don't have a lock. Next up, have an interesting knife. This is the Benchmade Gold Class Proper. The Proper is Benchmade's slip joint, and Gold Class is their highest class. $459 out of 500. So what we have is linen micarta, basically a burgundy wood grain. Mokume Gane bolsters, which is Japanese metalworking technique, similar to Damascus, but mimicking wood grain. And Damasteel blade. Damasteel is a powdered metallurgy Damascus, which is new and proprietary. It has better edge retention and corrosion resistance compared to normal Damascus. Benchmade Proper. Now we have a case Canoe. The Canoe has 2 blades. I'll just open one to give you an idea. The covers, which are what traditional knife handles are called, the covers are custom fossilized woolly mammoth, the ring cut of the tusk. And finally, a knife I showed yesterday on my first video. This is a GEC, that's Great Eastern Cutlery, number 88. It is the Bayou Trapper, and it's got the gator on top. So GEC, as far as I can tell, has the highest quality of production knife, traditional knives. I mean, check that out. And check out as I try to open this baby. It is not easy. Half stop. It also has kind of a feature known in the traditional knife community. The bolsters are pinched. Why? I don't know. Maybe someone can tell me. The covers on this are swamp green, appropriately, jigged bone. Wow, that was hard. There you have it, my friends. 5 slip joint knives. Thank you for visiting. I really appreciate it. And like and subscribe if you're interested. Bye.